Welcome to the internship program. I am Shubham Gupta from NextGen AI Frameworks Private Limited. I have 14 years of work experience in the fields of artificial intelligence, software development, and robotics. In this video, I will continue the basics for MongoDB and Python. Let's start. Let's see update in MongoDB. What do you want to update? So for example, someone said that my age is not 25. John called and say his age is not 25. Correct it. Update the age. So this will be the real life situation. So you can update the documents from here also, Compass, but you know we will be dealing with 1 lakh or 1 million, for example 10 lakh users. So this will not be the right way to do things manually. So how you can automate the things, I will tell you using this update code. So this is similar. Import pymongo, establish the connection using Mongo client, specify the database you want to use, specify the collection you want to use, database you want to use, collection you want to use. So update a single document. Name is John. So I will not confuse you. I will just reduce this to one John only. Okay, so we have one John only in this collection. So John age should be, for example, 56, and what is now, it is 25, it should be 56. First I will run it and then tell you how to do it. Let's see, John 25, refresh documents, John 56. So database, this collection demo contains this document, and this document was updated using this code, Python code. Question is how to write this. First thing is you have to search for the document you want to update. First thing is you have to search for the document you want to update. How you can search it? You can mention the key name. So name, so this is key name and this is value, key name and this is value. So what will be we will be searching for is John. So what this will do is from all the 8 records in this collection, it will fetch John. So this is first thing, the query. And in update underscore 1 method, first argument will be this query. You can pass this directly also if you want, like this. You can pass it like this, but for you I have simplified the thing so that you will understand. First argument will be query, second will be new underscore values. So what do you want to set as new value? This is how you set the values here. Everything is a nested JSON document in MongoDB, and MongoDB is NoSQL database that I told you in the previous session. So let's see the structure of this document. So this is what we want to change, age to 56. This is how you mention age to 56, and this is how you set things up, set, and then inside this set you have to pass the changes like this. So this is the structure. This will be the structure for JSON. So JSON, as I told you earlier, is key value pair. So this is the key and this is the value. This is the key, this is the value. In MongoDB you can create nested documents for JSON. We have one inside another, and you can go for multiple levels if you want. This is the best thing with these NoSQL databases. And one cool thing I will show you. See, here we have John and age. In relational database, you have to keep the column name same, name, age, name, age, name, age, like this in MySQL and other databases. But here what you can do is edit this one, add a new field, gender, male. See, in this document I have 3 fields, and in this one 2, this one 2, this one 3. So this is the best thing you can do with these type of NoSQL databases. They will save you space, memory, because what will happen is to store this document it will take only this much space, and for this document, for storing 2 keys, it will take less space, for 3 keys little bit more, and like this the data you are storing, it will take the data accordingly. But in MySQL and other databases, relational databases, you have to give null or empty string there to store in this third column. So if you have gender here, you have to pass gender again here. So it doesn't matter, you leave it empty, but it will take space in the hard disk storage space. So this is the best thing with NoSQL database with MongoDB. It will save you space and helps you to store the relevant data. So if this user is having more data, you can store this here, but if you have some specific data for John, you can store only for John that data. You don't have to compromise with the structure. So you can make any structure you want in these documents, any structure. There is no limitation. So this is the best thing with NoSQL database. So this is how you set this is the syntax. Search for the record, update it. I already have ran this, so age was changed to 56. What I want to show you next is, yeah, you can automate this one also, just like insert that I did. So you can automate it in similar way. So the next thing is update multiple documents. Let's see, I will comment this out. So I don't want to update one record only, but all the records available in the collection for that particular criteria. So what it means is, let's see the ages: 30, 28, 32, 20, 30, different ages. What I am saying is, if age is greater than, what GT means here is greater than. So if age is greater than 25, then only it will select those record. You can also test out these fields. If you go to options, you have all these options available here. So if I write age, or I can paste this as it is and then change some things here. Okay, age greater than 25, there are total 7 records. If I remove this and find all the there are total of 8 records. Why this is happening? Because Amit is 20 years old. So you can use this also here to find the data like this. So see, what I am doing in programming, Python programming, is similar. I am fetching these records. So 7 records will be fetched, and what I will do is set the age to 35. So see, every record has different age here. After running this, all the ages will be 35. 7 records age will be 35 after running this script. Why? Okay, because I am using update underscore many method here. Update underscore many. It will update multiple records. Done. Let's see. Different ages 35, 35, 35. Just Amit is 20, rest all are 35 now. This is update many. So you use update underscore 1 to update one record only. So for example, you want to update some data for one user that called you that my age is not correct, or my address is or phone number is not correct. You can update the single record using update underscore 1. But for multiple users, if you want to change something, so for example, if you want to add some new key in all the documents, then you can use update underscore many, some adding some new data to all the records. So update underscore many. Syntax is again the JSON greater than 25, then it will be gone, it will be nested in age. And then the second one is the set. Again I will show you how it will look like. So this one is first argument, search for the records. Second one is update them using this. So this is update in MongoDB. I will continue this session in next video. See you in next video. Have a nice day.